Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. First off, I just want to say excuse my hair. I don't know. It's so hot. It's gonna be 90 degrees today, and then obviously I have to shut the AC off so you guys don't hear it in the back. So I was like, oh, I need to put my hair up. My hair is looking like crazy, and it's like I don't want to really wash it because I literally just washed it like the day before. And you know, in the summertime, I'm washing my hair like if not every other day, sometimes every day. And especially when we took our little road trip, if you haven't seen that vlog, I'll link it down below. But when we took our road trip upstate, I was washing my hair sometimes like twice a day. So yeah, my hair, like, ugh, it needs a break. But yeah, I don't know what to do with it. Like, I know I want to dye it because I have like some grays. I have like, when you part my hair, I have like 3 or 4 grays around there. Like one strand of gray. 3 or 4 strands of gray hair, and it's like, ugh, I don't know what to do. Like, I kind of want to dye it all black, but I really wanted to do blonde highlights. But since I have the red in my hair, with the lightener, it's gonna come out like orange, and so yeah, I went way off topic. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some cute ways or cute ideas of how to store your makeup brushes or makeup accessories. All the stuff I'm going to show you is like super inexpensive, and they're cute. Before we get into this video, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So let's get into the video. It's so hot. So first, I'm going to show you guys some cute ways to store your makeup brushes. I just bought these from Target, from the dollar section. Okay, let me show you this one. So I just have like, I mean, I'm not like, you know, I'm just getting into makeup, so I don't have much. But yeah, I have these are like basically like my eye brushes, like blending brushes. I don't know, any brushes for my eyes is in here. So yeah, this is from Target, and this was $1, I think. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I hope you guys can see. I don't know. but yeah, these were from the dollar section in Target. So yeah, this one I have like my eye brushes, and this one I have like face brushes. So it's really cute. But when I was showing my boyfriend this the other day, he was like, what is that, Easter decorations? And I was like, no. And then when I kind of looked closer at it, you can kind of see. I honestly didn't even realize this. I just wanted something like this, so when I saw it, I was like, I just grabbed it. So, but when you kind of look closer at it, you could see like it has like a leaf cut out, and it has like acorns and like a little bird, I don't know, and like pine cones. But I mean, whatever, we always have leaves. There's always leaves all year round, so this is for any season, okay? I thought these were really cute, and I mean, like $1, you can't go wrong with that. And I don't know if they had any other like colors or any styles, but these just caught my eye because I really wanted, I don't know, something white with like a little cutout designs. So yeah, Target dollar section. I used to store my makeup brushes in this one, actually. I have these two. These are both from Dollar Tree. And these little crystals, I actually got these little crystals from like I went to my friend's wedding, and she let us take like the vase home, and it had like the crystals in it. So that's where these are from. But I'm pretty sure you can find something like this at Dollar Tree. If not like clear like this, I know they have like the little different colors of these, and like, I don't know, like rock pebble type things. But they probably do have clear ones too. But yeah, these are from Dollar Tree. I used to keep my makeup brushes in here. So this is like a cute way to store your makeup brushes also. So I also had bought this little, I don't know what you call this, like a little vase or glass jar, I don't know. I also had bought this recently from Hobby Lobby. All of these little jars were on sale. They were like 50% off. So I believe they're normally $3. No, I believe they're normal. I'll put it, if I can find it, I'll put it down below. But no, maybe, I don't know, either $3 or $4. So it was half off. So it was either $1.50. No, I feel like they were $2. Yeah, I think these were $4 and they were half off. So I bought them for $2. So I just started putting like I don't know, some round brushes. I had some more, but I have to wash the other ones. But yeah, I just started putting my round brushes. I thought it was just don't know, a cute way to display, because I really don't have any, like, anything displayed for my hair stuff, and I'm a hairstylist. So I thought this was cute and convenient for me to have my round brushes, you know, out and ready to go. So yeah, Hobby Lobby, $2, I believe. Going back to the Target dollar section, I actually found these little, like, clear, I don't know what you call this, like acrylic open containers. This was actually 2 for $1. It came in a, you know, in a pack, a set. These are 2 for $1, and I'm so mad at because this was at a Target that was like not near me, like a Target that I don't go to often, and I've never seen this at the Target near me. I don't know why that day I didn't buy more of these. I really wish I would have, because I could have used it for so much stuff in the little drawers for my makeup and stuff, or even for my hair, like for my bobby pins or my clips. I'm so mad, and I can't find these anymore in the dollar section. I'm so mad. I don't like. Look, guys, listen. When you find something in the dollar Target section, in the clearance at Walmart, and anything from Home Goods, when you find it, take it, okay? Because 9 times out of 10 you're never gonna find it again, especially in Home Goods. Like, if you take something and you put something down, if you come back for it, it's most likely not gonna be there. So yeah, that's I wish I would have bought more of these, because look, it's so cute. Like, I have, like, this one I have like my mascaras in. I have all my mascaras in here, and then this one I have like all my eyebrow and eyeliner stuff. So I have like gel eyeliner, just like tinted mascara, just everything eyeliner and eyebrow related. And this is mascara, but this is so cute. I'm so mad I didn't get more. Like, 2 for $1, that's, I'm so mad I didn't get more. So this next one is kind of random. I bought this off of Wish. I think I paid like maybe $2 at most for this. So this is just like a cute thing to put your beauty blender in. It's like really random, but I thought it kind of fit into, I don't know, storing your makeup stuff. So yeah, it's just really cute for your beauty blender. I kind of wish I would have got like silver or white, but whatever. Like, all this stuff here is like not permanent, because like I said before, we are, you know, looking for a house. So I'm hoping, if, you know, when we get one, I can get the like Impressions vanity drawers and stuff. Probably this one will go to my daughter, but yeah. So I'm just like, right now I'm just like getting a feel for how I kind of want to organize things, just so when that time comes, I'll know like exactly what I want to get. So this I actually bought from Walmart, and it came in a pack of 2. And I believe they were 96 cents. I don't know, I noticed a lot of people like to use like the acrylic ones, but I mean, whatever. I mean, it's white, it matches my vanity, so I think it goes well. In here I just have my foundations, which is like not much. I have my NYX Wonder Stick, just some powders. I have my LA Girl concealer. Yeah, in this one I just have like my MAC Fix Plus and just some other random things. I mean, 2 for 96 cents, you really can't go wrong with that. I might buy some more of these, because I haven't found, I mean, I have seen some of the acrylic ones, but they're like really expensive. I really don't want to spend that much. But yeah, these are cute. I mean, 2 for 96 cents, like, you really can't go wrong with this. The last thing I have, I actually have a DIY of this, and I will link that down below. But this is another cute way to store your makeup. So these, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like 5 acrylic organizers from Dollar Tree. But I actually just glued them together and made it like those expensive, you know, looking acrylic drawers. Yeah, and I put this like little bling around, I don't know. But yeah, in here I have just like a bunch of like all my lip glosses basically. I store all my lip glosses in here, and then up top here I just have some lipsticks, chapstick, I don't know, in here is just some random stuff. I really love this. Again, I'll link it down below because it's so easy to make and so inexpensive. Like, so the clear drawer, each drawer is $5, and even like the glue gun, like the glue guns at Walmart are pretty cheap. I believe they're under $4. Yeah, I think they're under $4, and then the little glue sticks itself, I think they have packs for like $1 or $2. So all in all, you could, to make this, you could probably spend like under $15, which is like amazing, because these, even little drawers like this, can cost like $60 and up. So I mean, make it yourself. Looks cute. It might not look as fancy and as, you know, official, but I still think it's cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of some cute and cheap I don't want to say cheap, cute and inexpensive ways to store your makeup brushes or makeup accessories or makeup or your hairstyling brushes, anything you like. Comment down below what you think, and also comment down below what you guys like to use to store your makeup, or if there's any like sites that you like to use that you recommend. Comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, please subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.